We're on to another exclusive then. In a bid to alert the government about the problems facing the real estate sector, industry body MCHI has asked for business associated with the sector to hold back, and these include advertising as well. Ruth Saldana has this more interesting details on this story.
For the next 2 weekends, you won't get to see any of the full-page real estate advertisements in most newspapers. And that's because developers nationwide are not just going on strike, but they have also decided to pull back media activity. According to Ernst & Young, in 2011, the real estate industry nationwide spent over 2,200 crore rupees on print advertising alone, which works out to a little over 42 crore rupees a week. In Mumbai, the figure for 2011 was 361 crore rupees, which is about 7 crore rupees a week. But that's not all. The Maharashtra Chambers of Housing Industry, or MCHI, has also asked over 250 businesses associated with construction and real estate, which include brokers, raw material distributors and others, to hold back on their business activities over the next 2 weekends. When speaking to Bloomberg UTV, the management of the MCHI said that several other industries rely on real estate, and the slowdown affecting the sector is affecting these as well. The MCHI is trying to get the government to notice the woes covering the sector and are trying various tactics, including a planned silent protest, the date of which is likely to be announced on the 30th of April. The sector has been plagued with rising input costs and cautious demand. However, sentiment seems to have improved slightly over the past month or so, with a nominal uptick in sales volumes. Back to you.